First, these are constructed illegally. They are occupying streets, sidewalks, which are public places. And these public places are for everybody's use. So we have to remove them because they are in violation of our laws.
Kasama yan! Kasama yan!
Kala mo kung may nakuha ka.
Kompleta po yung parking niya.
Sumama ka na mo.
Pagkaganyan.
Tatanungin ka lang, sumama ka na. At dito sa...
Well, a few who are using this as a sanctuary for their criminal and illegal activities. That's why we want to remove all these structures so that there will be a peaceful and orderly living in this place. You know,
Ay, ngayon, kaya ito, may demolition na ngayon, ay wala kami magawang maliliit. Kung saan ang gusto na may kapangyarihan, ay doon kami. O, doon kami. Kung bibigyan kami ng matitirahan, okay lang. Kung di kami bibigyan, wala kami magawa.
Tonyo, Tonyo,